Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to measure concrete moisture using the IC-CMEX2 digital concrete moisture meter. First, an overview of the meter. It includes 6 buttons. These are hold/audio, the scale button, up selection, down selection, on or off, and the backlight. The device has grooves for grip, a plug for a relative humidity probe, this is sold separately, and a plug for a pin probe, this is sold separately too. The moisture sensors can be found on the back of the unit. The small sensors withdraw into the unit when pressed into concrete to take a measurement. And lastly, there's a battery compartment with a pre-installed 9-volt battery. We'll turn the device on to get started. Pressing the scale button allows you to select either the pin probe setting or select between the 4 scales. On the REF screen, press the up and down buttons to select the reference scale, CMEQ concrete. This is the carbide method equivalent for concrete, gypsum, or press scale again to return to concrete. At any time while taking a reading, you can press the hold button. This will keep the displayed reading on the screen. Hold is indicated by the flashing H on the screen. Press the hold button again to release the hold setting and return to measurement mode. To take a measurement, press the IC-CMEX2 fully against a concrete slab or screed surface. The pins will depress and a measurement will appear instantly. Now let's take a measurement on some concrete. Place the device on the surface and press down completely. Hold the measurement if needed by pressing hold. Press the hold button again to release the hold settings and you can take further measurements. Remember, for accuracy, it's always a great idea to take multiple readings. With its incredibly quick response time and ease of use, the IC-CMEX2 allows you to take moisture measurements over large areas in no time. Want more information on this product? Speak to an Instrument Choice scientist. Links are in the description. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.